So we're rounding up. We're almost ready. As you can see in here, the product is filling up with air. It's kind of fluffy. Right now I put a little bit of the topping down here in the bucket, so it hits the bottom of the product, and I'm going to bring this over for when we're ready to extract it. So right now I'm going to shut off our refrigeration, and I'm going to start getting the product into the bucket.
Nice thing is you can kind of control the flow and the speed of the product, so you can manage putting in the blend-ins. So if you want to slow it down, we can simply kind of slow it down just like that.
It's important not to push the air out either. You just want to move it kind of to the edge of the bucket while you're shaking in the topping.
So what Angelo's doing is he's kind of adding some of the pumpkin pie crust, then letting some product build, and then smoothing it back out. You know, this way we know we got a nice, throughout the course of the tub, we're going to have nice topping distribution, which is very important. You know, attention to detail in ice cream production is important. And when you're mixing these products in, when you're mixing add-ons, you know, the one thing you can control is your process. This way, no matter who's doing it or when they're doing it, you know you have even distribution. The last thing you want to do is have the top of your tub filled with whatever candy or add-on you're putting in, but the bottom of the tub not. You see Angelo is just kind of pushing the rest of that product in. This way we make sure we get a full tub of product out. I like to put my tubs in the freezer a little bit, this way when the ice cream's being added, it hits a nice cold tub, and when the product starts draining out like that, you're pretty good.
So we'll shut the machine off. This last layer. All right, so we're gonna put the topping on top, sprinkle it over, get it all around there, make it look good.
That's our pumpkin pie ice cream. Now, keep in mind, we add this at the top. This is what's going to go in the freezer, and this is the first thing people are going to see. So I want to make sure I put a good amount of topping on there. And you know, when I do this ice cream sometime, I'll keep this product out as well. And after when I serve it, I put a little sprinkle on it on top as well. So they're not only getting it in the ice cream, they're getting it almost as a topping. So this is an example of a pumpkin pie ice cream with a pumpkin base and a pumpkin pie crust pieces. There's so many different directions you can do a pumpkin, but the most important thing is you need to have an offering at your store for it. I like this because it gives you that pumpkin flavor, but it also gives you a nice little crunch and that pie crust as well. So people really think for dessert, they're eating into a pumpkin pie. But for more help with recipes, please visit our YouTube channel, subscribe, give us a like, and then even in the comments, tell us what other products and ice creams you want to see so we can make a production video for you. This is Rob Romarino at Sentry Equipment.
And Angelo D'Ambrosio.
Thanks so much. See ya.